This breakfast idea I'm about to share with you now has officially become my favorite go-to breakfast, and it is not necessarily a breakfast, at least for me, because I eat it any time of the day when I feel like I don't want to eat cooked food, or when there is nothing readily available at the moment for me to eat. I just quickly grab this and I'm good to go. And the good thing about this is that you don't have to cook, and it keeps you full for a very longer period of time. Like, I'm speaking from experience. I just eat this, and throughout the day I'll be drinking only water, and even if I get hungry, it doesn't get to me that much. You know how you get hungry and you'll be shaking and you want to eat the whole world? No, with this you don't feel that hungry. Okay, and again, this recipe was inspired by Summer Ako. Ever since I did her 3 days diet challenge, it has become my favorite, and it is nothing else but 2 bananas, a tablespoon of peanut, and some brewed tea. You can brew just one sachet of tea, or if you like you can go with 2, but I usually go with 1. And I also go with 2 bananas. I don't go more than 2 unless if I am extremely hungry, and after eating the 2 I feel like, okay, I need more. I just go grab extra 1 banana, and that is it. So why I'm saying this is, if you're trying to lose weight with this diet or this breakfast idea, just make sure you don't go more than 2 bananas. Okay, don't do more than 2 bananas. Trust me, this will keep you full for a longer period of time, and then whenever you feel like eating any other thing, maybe later on in the day, you can just eat something you one of your favorite foods, but make sure you eat it in moderation. And that is if you want to lose weight with this. Yeah, so this is just what I want to share with you guys. It is very quick and easy to put together. Like, you don't even have to cook. This is a lazy man's breakfast if I must say so myself. So this is just me showing you how to eat it, in case you don't know how to eat. Okay. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.